Practical affiliate marketing tips and tricks to help you succeed. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to boost the potential revenues of any online business. Website owners have to know, though, that affiliate programs are not money fountains. Affiliate marketing only produces profits in proportion to the effort webmasters put into it. This video includes some ideas for maximizing the effects of those efforts. Success in affiliate marketing will never be achieved by putting 1,000,000 banners up all on one site. Choose your banners carefully and keep your site clutter-free. Too many banners can make your site feel overwhelming to a user, making them less likely to click on any banners or become repeat visitors. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. Putting together a good affiliate marketing strategy takes time, hard work, and lots of research. Put into practice the tips in this video. There are webmasters out there, lots of them, realizing healthy profits from their affiliate programs. The things these webmasters have in common are dedication and a thorough self-education in making affiliate marketing work for them. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.